Now let's move to the company history section. So we need to have something that looks like this. On mobile versions, we need to have a 1-column layout, and on tablets, we need to have a 2-column layout. So let's see how we can do it. So here, few words about us. This is to mark the end of it. Now let's move to the history section. So let's target the history section. Let's give it a background color of white. So great, it is working. Text align center. And now let's target the H2. History H2. Padding 20 pixels. Border bottom 2 pixels solid, and so we can see that it is here, just 1 pixel. Great. And also let's give it some margin bottom 30 pixels. Great. Now let's target the event container. So for the event, let's give it some border so we can see it. 1 pixel solid and black. So it is here. Let's give it some margin, maybe 10 pixels. So great. And now let's target the elements within the event container. Event date. So event here, event P, let's give it some padding, 10 pixels. Great. Event date. Let's give it a background color, this color, not a background color, the color. Great. Maybe let's increase the font size, 1.2 em. Great. And let's do the same thing for the event title. (1.3). Great. And let's remove the ugly border. Great. Here maybe font weight bold, and the same thing here, font weight bold. Great. And let's decrease the padding from here. Great. And we have the call to action button ready that we already styled here. Great. Now let's move to the our team section. So here I'll mark the end of the history. And let's start our theme section. We will do the same thing for the H2. So I will grab this and here our theme. We will not give it a background color of white, and here our theme. Great. Now let's target the member container. So for the member, margin of 10 pixels, and also we need to give a fixed height and width for the member image. Height, maybe I will choose just a random value here. Width, and let's see what we have. Well, it looks cool. Great. And let's give a border for the member container to see what we have. Great, it is here. Now let's move to the image. Give it some margin of 10 pixels. Great. Border radius of 50%. Great. And also we'll give a padding here 5 pixels. Maybe padding bottom 15. We have some space here. Great. And also we will give them a background color of white. Great. And let's remove the border. Great. And if you want, we can give them some box shadow. Box shadow 0 pixels, 15 pixels. And great.